Now, whether it be high fem or EMS, what you're really comparing the minimal tone against is only a mere 200 hertz of output. That equates to 200 contractions per second, whereas we have an FDA clearance to deliver 2,000 hertz per second or 2,000 contractions per second deep into the tissue group with a harmonized effect, which we call the beat frequency. We're using two very similar EMS or electronic frequencies to create a twisting effect in the tissue so that we get proper muscle re-education and proper pump, baby. Amongst 8 total paddles delivered within the minimal tone method, you've got 3 very specialized tools. First and foremost, if we're targeting those larger muscle groups, trying to get a super maximal contraction, you have an oversized EMS electrode. This is the largest EMS applicator in the market today. It also has indications for pain management. This is called the dual applicator, a highly specialized applicator with EMS and RF for those hard to get areas and the triceps, bingo wings, etc., nicely placed inside of the thigh. Last but not least is our most innovative applicator yet, the multi. This includes EMS, RF, integrated cooling, and vacuum suction in one applicator that can be used across the entire body to boost the results of not just skin tightening and fat reduction, but muscle stimulation in as little as 15 minutes. Now, if you're a provider that likes to push the edge past that of a standard preset, our system has full customization capability at each channel or paddle with full control of not just your EMS and RF settings, but 20 different EMS patterns and 20 different vacuum patterns so that you can get a fully tailor-made result for your patient and those hard to get areas. Unlike competitive technology with emergency stop buttons or patient pagers, we integrated the power in the patient's hands through an innovative step-down button. This button allows for a patient to control the EMS and RF settings throughout therapy. In the case that they're feeling that it's too warm or it's too intense, they simply press the button and we go down a level. This can take you all the way to a 0 setting, and it will automatically adjust back up in a 30-second interval so that we can maintain results through an entire procedure without slowing down the efficiency of the practice or having the provider come back into the room. The minimal tone is a consumable optional device. There is no charge for a tick, a click, a tip, or a cycle with the platform. However, you do have the option to use your own aquasonic gel or ultrasound gel that you probably already stock and supply. Alternatively, you could simply use our specialized gel, which is a very low cost, infused with specialized peptides to help in controlling the heat output of our paddle set. If you're an aesthetic provider and you have net proceeds of over $250,000 in your business, you've got over $5,000 in your ending monthly cash balance, or you've been in business more than 3 years, you do qualify to implement the newest innovation in body contouring for post-GLP-1 results. You don't need to spend $300,000 to implement a body contouring technology device to your practice. You just need the minimal tone.